Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some Python one-liners. Now what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to create a new file. So what I do is I type in the print command here and open. I put the R flag in, and this here is the path to my desktop, and this is the file that I want to create, new.txt. Here we have the W flag, which is to write and to create a file. And then we do .write. Inside with the .write, that will write a text line new file. So let's run the program. Okay, we returned 8 there, so let's have a look. Okay, so there's the new file. Let's open it, and there we go, new file in it. So we created the new file there. Okay, let's just blank that one out there. Let's go on to the next one here. What does this do? Again, we've got the print command. We open the file, and this time we're going to open the file to read it. So this is going to be new.txt. And let's just change that in there. New.txt. Let's save that. So we're going to open and read this file. So let's run it. And there we go. That's the text inside the new file. Okay, let's go down onto the other one. And again, we're going to type in new. And I wrote this before, I was just experimenting with other files. So what we're going to do with this, okay, we're going to overwrite the file. So we're going to write in XXX like that. So we're going to overwrite it. So let's run it. Okay, let's go back to this. You see we've completely overwritten it. Not overwritten it. Bit of bad grammar there for you. Okay, let's have a look at this. Print open. So we're going to do new.txt, and we're going to put the A flag in here to append it. So we're going to append the text. So update it. Let's run it. Okay, let's check the file. There you go, XXX and appended text. Okay, and let's go on to the last one here. And let's have a look. New.txt. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the file. So I use os.remove, so I'll have to import the OS module here. So import OS for this to work. So again, we use os.remove, and then we've got the path to the file. So let's run it. And there we go, it's gone. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.